Now coming to the conditional formatting. For example, now if I want to, what are options we have? Highlight cell rules. If I want to, for example, in this column, if I want to highlight all the cells which are greater than 50, let's see how can we do that. In the cell, whatever numbers are greater than 50, it will just highlight it. So let's see. In conditional formatting, we put all those conditions and all. So highlight cell rules were greater than 50, for example. I put highlight with red, light, and dark red text. Okay, light red fill with dark red text. Okay, if you do okay, then you can see that whichever numbers are greater than 50, you'll have a highlight. Whichever numbers are less than 50, they are left as it is. So this is what is the help of while analyzing the data. And if you have a huge number of rows and you want to only pick those numbers which are relevant to you based on a particular condition, then you can use this. Is really helpful in analyzing the data. Okay, you have different options. You can even create new rules, clear the rule based on your requirement. You can explore these options. So basically conditional formatting is to put a condition for to put a condition and apply the formatting. Okay.